Uh, Good morning, dear participants. So today I will cover two topics: one moderation and second mediation. So both the topic I will cover in SPSS and as well as process macro. तो जो ब्राउज़र में वो स्मार्ट पीएलएस गलत लिखा हुआ है, तो इसकी जगह प्रोसेस मैक्रो. सो प्रोसेस मैक्रो एंड SPSS. So I will take 5 case study on moderation and 3 case studies for mediation. Okay. So first of all, in the first step, I will perform all the tests in SPSS software, and then after that, I will perform same methods in process macro, because process macro specifically uh, made for this mediation and moderation techniques. So SPSS, many complex techniques we cannot perform in a SPSS software. So about uh, more than 100 model available on mediation and moderation. So you can see these are the models, like the first model of uh, model one. Basically, it is moderation model. So these are the models, and all the details you can go through the book written by Andrew Hayes. So Andrew Hayes developed this process macro software, and for more detail you can go through the book written by the moderation and mediation written by Andrew Hayes. Okay, so these are the many complex model you can see. So, but I will take only the introductory model, moderation and mediation. So these are very complex models we can see in the template. These are the models. Okay. So in the moderation, so first of all, we moderation or mediation, basically both are independent variables. Okay. Now, so what is the difference between moderation and mediation? Moderation basically moderate or change the strength of the relationship between dependent and independent variable. Means moderator variable, in presence of the moderator variable, it change the relationship between the not it may change the relationship between two variable, and as well as it can uh, change the strength of the two independent and dependent variables. Means one dependent variable and another independent variable. So if the strength of the dependent and independent variable x and y, high strength, means regression coefficient value high, zero point 0.9 or zero point 0.8 or minus 0.9, 0.85. So by including this moderator variable, it change the strength. It may decrease the relationship between the two variable, or it may increase the relationship between the two variable. So now you can see the definition of moderation in regression. Moderator variable influence the strength or direction, influence the strength or direction of relation between uh, independent variable and dependent variable. So there are two variable. So before, for example, before adding the moderator variable, the relationship between the two variable, it's a regression coefficient. So regression coefficient may be 0.9, 0.8, or significant relationship between the two variable. But including this moderator variable, it this variable influence the relationship between the two. It may the you can see it may influence the strength or direction. Strength means if it's a high, so by including this moderator variable, it may decrease, or if it is strength is zero point 0.4, it may increase the strength of two independent and dependent variables. Okay, and then or influence the direction of the relationship between independent. Direction means if the positive correlation between the two independent variables, two independent dependent variables, then it may influence or change the direction of this. So there may be possibility that with the presence of this moderator variable, it can influence strength and as well as direction. Okay, direction means positive or negative sign. So this is about uh, the the moderation in regression. So basically, there are three types of variable. One variable that is dependent variable y, and another x independent variable, and m is moderator variables. Okay, so there are three variables. Then the moderation basically interaction of the two. Interaction means the multiplication this and this x into y. So in this template, you can see the interaction. The interaction means, so through this the it's our original model y dependent variable and x independent variable, and m is moderator variable. So statistically, how will we show this diagram? So this statistically we can show it x, that is independent variable and related to y, and b1, that is regression coefficient, m again the independent variable and regression coefficient b2 related to y, and the third variable, that is it's an interaction effect x into m, means multiplication of independent variable and moderator variable. So this is known as interaction effect, and this interaction effect should be significant. Okay, if it is significant, then we can say moderator variable is working. Okay, so this is the concept of moderator. So I will explain this technique by using very means there are many situations, maybe like a situation of the here the I'm using the there may be many situation, like many condition to perform the this the first condition. There are many conditions, so I will take five conditions, five case study to perform the moderator variable. The first condition, the types of the type of the first is case case one, or I should write here types types of predictor predictor variables included in interaction. Types of predictor variables included in interaction. Okay. चलिए मैं इसको उसमें बनाता हूँ. पीपीटी के थ्रू the first condition is types of predictor variable. First condition, the first condition, interaction interaction between two categorical two categorical predictor variable two categorical predictor variable. What does it mean? So the first condition, this moderator variable and x the independent variable and y dependent variable. Okay, so interaction between the two categorical, so this will be the iv, the dv will be continuous variable. Okay, so it is continuous variable, and the iv, it is the categorical variable, and moderator also categorical variable. Categorical means nominal scale question. So there may be many possibility when the dependent variable will always the continuous variable means question would be either interval or ratio scale, and the independent variable, the first condition is both independent and moderator variables are in categorical form or nominal scale type question means mutually exclusive. Yes, no, high, low. Okay. Second condition or second case may be the the this it is the categorical variable. Second condition may be this independent variable. Independent variable continuous, continuous, and this categorical. And third condition may be third condition this moderator variable also continuous. मॉडरेटर वेरिएबल ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूस. तो यही तीन पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती हैं. फर्स्ट केस द डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कंटिन्यूस एंड इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड moderator variable categorical. Second case, dependent variable continuous, independent variable continuous, but moderator variable the categorical. And third condition, all the three variables dv, iv and moderator, all three are continuous variables. इसमें मैं I will take a 5 case study. Case one means when both the variables independent and moderator variable categorical variable, independent and this also categorical variable. Okay. And second case study based on the one variable that is continuous variable. This is the continuous variable, continuous independent variable continuous, and moderator variable categorical. So there may be again two possibility when we in this case, in the case second, there may be two possibility. One, there may be interaction effect significant, and the second interaction effect not significant. Same as in condition 3 also, when all the three variables or dependent and moderator variable also continuous, then again there may be two possibility. Interaction effect may be significant or not significant. So I'm taking one by one. So first of all, I'm taking case study of when all the variables like this, the both the variables categorical means independent and moderator variable. This is the case study of yes. So the types of moderator variable interaction means nominal. This is this categorical variable, job performance, job satisfaction, categorical moderator. This moderator and job satisfaction also moderator. But I am taking the case study of I'm showing you the data set of my first case study. Categorical moderator. In this case study, you can see here there is a the in this case study salary, that is dependent variable, gender independent variable, and college, that is moderator variable here. Okay. So we just want to know whether the interaction effect. So here the condition is, so first of all we understand the condition. So condition is this y, that is dv, our dv is salary continuous variable, and x independent variable, or and we are taking independent variable here. The independent variable experience, sorry, independent variable, gender gender, and the moderator variable college. College means the discipline. So there are three. Gender may be divided into two: male and female. And the college means the background of the teachers: science, commerce, and arts teachers. So here the interaction, what would be the equation? Equation will be like this: beta 0 plus beta 1 x plus beta 2 m and beta 3 and multiplication of x and m. So this is our interaction equation. So we want to know whether this impact, this interaction is significantly contributing to the relationship between dependent or independent variable or not. So if it is significant, mean p value of this interaction effect less than 0.05, then we can say this interaction is working. Okay, there is a moderation effect in the relationship between dependent and independent variable. So this multiplication of independent variable and moderator variable tell us whether the interaction effect is significant or not. So this is my case study. In this first case study, the types of variable you can see the predictors, both the predictors, either independent variable or moderator, both are categorical, means nominal, mutually exclusive options in both the cases. Okay, so here we will find in this case study, we want to check whether this interaction effect significant or not. So first of all, we want to see whether the relationship between salary and gender, is it any significant difference between this y, that is salary, and x, that is independent variable, categorical variable. Is it any significant difference between salary getting by male and female teachers in private sector? क्या ऐसा difference है? Is it okay? So there are two hypotheses. Our null hypothesis says there is no significant difference between getting salary by male and female teachers in private sector. But alternate hypothesis suggests no, there is a significant difference between getting salary by male and female teachers. So first of all, to understand this concept, we use independent t-test to understand whether the salary of male or female teachers significant or not. So analyze. So I am performing independent t-test to understand whether both are getting same salary or they different. So salary, it is dependent variable, so I am transferring here, and gender independent variable, and coding for gender, it's a grouping, and coding for gender 0 and 1. Okay, now you can see the coding. So coding this 0 means female teacher. It's a data set of 25 teachers. The 25 teachers, sorry, 20, sorry, 40 and 20 female teachers and 30 male teachers. So the coding for female 0. So we will put here 0 and 1. Okay, and then continue. After continuing, okay. So we will get the result whether the difference is significant or not. So here the mean salary getting by female teachers 40.8 and male teacher 49.9. So there is a difference, but whether this difference significant or not. So this p value tell us, and the p value significant. This p value, it is p value less than 0.05. It means the y dependent variable and x independent variable, and p is significant. P is significant. The relationship between the two significant. Now question is, when we include this variable, this moderator variable influence the strength of the two variables or not? So there may be two possibility. When if interaction effect significant, then we can say this moderator variable working and changing the strength of two independent variable, two variables. And if interaction effect not significant, means p value greater than 0.05, it means the moderator variable is not working. This moderator variable not influencing the strength or direction of the dependent and independent variable. Okay. So another condition, we will see whether the moderator variable working moderator variable. So we want to see the relationship between college means discipline, the background of the teacher, science, commerce, arts. Is it any significant difference among the teachers who are different background or not? So we can, through ANOVA we can understand it. Analyze, compare means here we are comparing more than two samples. Okay. So salary is this and call is here, and then cost of we use Bonferroni, and continue options descriptive, homogeneity means plot, and then continue. After continue, okay, it's simply analysis of variance. Okay. So the results of the analysis of variance you can see here. The arts, the mean salary of arts teacher 44.8, science teacher 44.71, and commerce teacher 51.51. So there is a difference, but whether this difference significant or not, who will tell us? This ANOVA table. And this ANOVA table is telling us there is no significant difference. If there is a difference, but whether this difference treated as significant or not, so this ANOVA table's p value decides. And here p value greater than 0.05, so there we can say there is no significant impact. So again, when there is no significant impact, it means cost of analysis results also will be not significant. Arts and science, you can see, is it significant? Not, because p value greater than 0.05. Then arts and commerce, again the p value greater than 0.05. Science and commerce, again p value 0.05. Because from this table we can understand, if here in the ANOVA table we are getting not significant result, then cost of analysis tell also not significant. Okay. Now we want to interaction of the both. Interaction we कर सकते हैं, but before interaction we can use the factorial ANOVA to understand this. So because if we convert, so in this case study, so these are the dummy variables, gender and colleges. So we should not use a regression analysis, because it will be if we use the these variable as a dummy variable, because these are the categorical variable, and condition of the multiple regression analysis is all the variables should be uh, continuous. So but here both the variables, gender, it is categorical, and college, again moderator variable, it is also categorical. So if we use the category, so it will some complex method. So we will use the dummy coded variable like arts and science and commerce. So we will take two dummy variable for this college categorical variable, 1 0 0 1 0 1, and our regression equation will be this b1 d1 plus b2 d2. So it is very complex method. So instead of this, we should use directly factorial ANOVA. In a factorial ANOVA, the condition of the factorial ANOVA, there are two variables. the independent two variables. So this x1 means independent variable gender, and this x2 means independent variable or moderator variable. There are three categories. Okay. So when we use this, the factorial ANOVA, then we can find the interaction effect of independent and moderator variable also. Okay. So it is easier to use factorial ANOVA, and then I am using the factorial ANOVA to perform whether the interaction effect is significant or not. So analyze general linear model and univariate. Okay, analyze general linear model. I am using factorial ANOVA, and the salary, that is dependent variable, and gender and college both are fixed variable or categorical variable. So I am transferring both the variable in fixed factor. So it's a fixed factor, and then nothing to do here, just simply okay. So the interaction effect, whether the interaction effect significant or not. So the it's a this is significant. When we perform independent t-test, then we found p value was significant. P was significant. So here there is a significant effect. And when we second condition, when we use ANOVA to find the relationship, it was not significant. So here again not significant. Now the third condition, when we take the interaction of two variables, means x and moderator, so there is the p value greater than 0.05, gender and college. So there is no interaction effect. It means this moderator variable is not working. Same thing we can perform in process macro. Same.